Step into a space that feels like a peaceful autumn forest. Welcome to Soft Autumn Green's Mossy Memoir palette for a serene bedroom. Today, we are transforming a bedroom into a serene retreat using soft greens and earthy neutrals. Let's begin. First up is our star shade, Sage Memory. This dusty green gray is like a misty morning in the woods. Use it on an accent wall or even cabinetry for a grounded, organic feel. Next, we balance the mood with weathered linen. This soft beige works beautifully for bedding, curtains, or a vintage dresser, keeping the space light and airy. Now let's add depth with Dewy Moss. This muted olive is perfect for velvet pillows, pottery, or even a statement chair. It brings just the right touch of nature indoors. Layer in natural materials. Think rattan, aged brass, and raw wood to enhance the organic vibe. And there you have it, a bedroom that feels like a quiet walk through an autumn forest. Which shade is your favorite? Let me know below. Please like, share, and subscribe, and download this and other free PDF palettes on my site. Just click the link in the description below. Until next time, season your home with seasonal colors.